Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Right now we're looking at a 2009 CRV. Customers complaining that the air conditioning system is not working. We went ahead and hooked it up on the machine and pulled the Freon out. We noticed that upon initially taking the caps off where the machine hooks up to, there was some pressure behind there, which typically indicates that the valves are failing, the rubber O-rings on the valves are failing. We recovered the Freon out of the vehicle, noticed that it was about 50% of the charge that it should have. We replaced the Schrader valves, refilled the Freon to the appropriate level, started the vehicle up, but still no air conditioning. We happened to look down inside the motor compartment, noticed that the air conditioning compressor was not engaging. We have seen this happen from time to time. We looked up the circuit. We jumped the relay to make sure that it wasn't a relay issue, like a relay going bad causing the compressor not to engage. By feeding power through the fuse box, through the relay section, energizing the compressor, and still getting no compressor engagement, that lets us know that the compressor has failed. We advised the customer that they would need to get a new air conditioning compressor if they wanted that system to function properly. They said go ahead and do that. We went ahead and got that done, refilled the Freon level to the appropriate amount, got the vehicle started, and made sure AC worked. It was just as cold as it should be. So if you're having some air conditioning issues, or maybe you think the vehicle isn't getting as cold as it should be, it could be low on charge, we do offer a free air conditioning inspection. So if your AC isn't working quite right, please feel free to give us a call, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.